What's up guys, this is Glenn on week 22 with Minoxidil. On this video I'll be talking about derma rolling based on my experience. Now the question is, does derma rolling work? In order for you to find out whether derma rolling worked for me, you gotta stay tuned so that I can show you the proof, the pictures before I derma roll, when I was derma rolling, and after I derma rolled, to see whether it worked or not. Now before I talk about derma rolling, I just like to say thank you very much guys for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate that. We're on 43 subscribers, man. That is awesome. Just keep on supporting the channel and I'll keep on making these awesome videos. Now before you need to know about derma rolling, you need to know what is a derma roll, how does it look like. So this is a derma roller. Probably you've seen it on other YouTubers. So this is a derma roller guys. So it has micro needles. These are micro needles. I don't know whether you're gonna see them there or not. It has micro needles. So these micro needles, as you are derma rolling, you are actually punching your skin with these micro needles. So what is it that the derma roller actually helps with? It helps your skin to produce collagen. Now collagen has a lot of benefits. Now in this case, because we are focused on growing the beard, it actually helps your skin to be more healthier. I'm not gonna touch on it, man. I'm just gonna leave a link whereby they talk about derma rolling, and also when they talk about the collagen, you can just check on the description for the links. Now we all know that the healthier the skin, the healthier the beard. So that's what this derma rolling is helping with. Let me talk about my experience on derma rolling. Now I started derma rolling on week 10 and I was only derma rolling once a week. I derma rolled from week 10 to week 15th. The reason why I stopped at week 15th is because the acne was spreading throughout and I was afraid this thing was actually spreading the acne throughout my face. But then when I look at those pictures, man, let me show you the pictures. These are the pictures before derma rolling. As you can see there, man, I was starting, that is 2 months on Minoxidil and I wasn't derma rolling at all. Now let me show you a picture whereby I was derma rolling. That is a picture whereby I was derma rolling, and that picture there, it's about probably week 13 if not week 12. So now let me show you the pictures when I stopped derma rolling, and you can see there, man, that is a picture whereby I stopped derma rolling before I started shading. So you have to decide after seeing those pictures, what do you think? Do you think derma rolling works or it doesn't? According to the way I see it, I'm saying derma rolling does work. It does work, man. So if you really wanna improve your beard growth, you need to derma roll. You need to derma roll. So a lot of guys, they derma roll twice a week. They skip about 4 days before they derma roll. Now there are different types of derma rollers. So the one that I have, it's 0.5 millimeter. I'm gonna show you the picture of different derma roller for different purposes. I hope you can see that. So 0.5 is the one that is way much better for this journey that we're in. So just make sure that when you derma roll at least once a week or twice a week. Just leave a space in between so that you can give your skin to heal after derma rolling. Now I know you're here for the gains. Let me show you the gains. Well, as you can see, man, still have my gains. They're not as strong as they used to be, but hey, I'm gonna persist Thank you guys for watching, and also guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like this video. Don't forget, Minoxidil is the way. Cheers.